Lucas, a young boy with a thirst for adventure, would spend his nights staring out his bedroom window. But unlike other children, Lucas wasn't drawn to the flickering lights of passing cars or the distant glow of the city. His eyes were glued to the vast expanse above, mesmerized by the countless stars that twinkled like celestial fireflies against the velvet canvas of the night sky. Each twinkling star was a mystery, a distant sun in its own right, potentially harboring planets and life forms beyond human comprehension. The sheer scale of the cosmos both humbled and excited him. As he delved deeper into astronomy books, he felt an undeniable pull, a yearning to explore the vast unknown that lay beyond Earth's atmosphere. One particularly clear summer night, lying on the dew-kissed grass and gazing up at the Milky Way, a shooting star streaked across the sky. At that moment, Lucas made a silent vow. He, Lucas, would one day venture into that infinite expanse. He would reach for the stars. From that day forward, the universe became Lucas's playground, his imagination a spaceship that could traverse light years in the blink of an eye. He devoured every book and documentary about space he could find, his mind swimming with images of distant planets, swirling nebulas, and the desolate beauty of the lunar landscape. The more he learned, the stronger his desire to experience it firsthand grew. For Lucas, space wasn't just a collection of stars and planets. It was an invitation, a challenge, a destiny waiting to be fulfilled. Lucas's fascination with space wasn't just a fleeting childhood fancy. It was the driving force behind his every action. He aced his science classes, devouring every physics and astronomy lesson with an eagerness that both impressed and amused his teachers. His bedroom walls, once adorned with childish drawings, were soon plastered with star charts, rocket schematics, and photographs of iconic astronauts like Neil Armstrong and Sally Ride. Beyond the classroom, Lucas sought out every opportunity to immerse himself in the world of space exploration. He joined the school's astronomy club, spending his evenings huddled with like-minded peers, sharing knowledge and peering through telescopes at the moon's cratered surface and the faint, ethereal glow of distant galaxies. He attended every space-related event at the local planetarium, his heart pounding with excitement as he listened to real-life astronauts recount their experiences in orbit. But Lucas's pursuit of knowledge wasn't limited to passive observation. He joined his school's robotics club, eager to get his hands dirty and learn the practical skills that might one day prove useful in designing and building spacecraft. He spent countless hours tinkering with circuits, programming microcontrollers, and poring over engineering textbooks. His dedication paid off when his team's robot took first place in a regional competition, their creation navigating a simulated Martian landscape with impressive precision. Through it all, Lucas never lost sight of his ultimate goal. He knew that becoming an astronaut was no easy feat. It demanded unwavering dedication, a thirst for knowledge, and the physical and mental fortitude to withstand rigorous training. But Lucas was undeterred. He viewed every challenge as a stepping stone, every obstacle as an opportunity for growth. For him, the journey was just as important as the destination. He was determined to earn his place among the stars. The path to the stars, Lucas soon discovered, was paved with more than just textbooks and late-night study sessions. As he progressed through high school and into university, the reality of his dream's magnitude began to set in. The competition was fierce, the standards impossibly high, and the sacrifices demanded of those who dared to reach for the cosmos were immense. Setbacks became a recurring theme in Lucas's life. He faced academic pressure like never before, pushing himself to excel in demanding physics and engineering courses. He endured grueling physical training, pushing his body to its limits in preparation for the rigors of spaceflight. And perhaps most challenging of all, he grappled with the constant threat of rejection, knowing that only a select few would ever realize their dreams of space travel. There were times when the weight of his aspirations felt crushing. He faced skepticism from some who saw his dream as naive and unrealistic. He experienced moments of self-doubt, questioning whether he had what it took to succeed in such a demanding field. And he made sacrifices, missing out on social events and personal pursuits, his life revolving around a singular, all-consuming goal. But through it all, Lucas never allowed the flames of his passion to be extinguished. He drew strength from the memory of that starry night, from the unwavering support of his family and friends, and from the inspiring stories of those who had come before him. He embraced the challenges, viewing them as opportunities for growth and resilience. Section 4. Training Among the Stars. A dream within reach. Years of unwavering dedication and relentless pursuit of his dream finally paid off. Lucas's application to the astronaut training program, a testament to his academic prowess, physical endurance, and unwavering commitment, stood out amongst thousands. A mix of excitement and disbelief washed over him as he received the life-altering acceptance letter. He had done it. He was one step closer to the stars. The hallowed halls of the astronaut training facility became Lucas's new home, a crucible where his mental fortitude and physical limits were tested like never before. He spent countless hours in simulators, replicating the disorienting experience of zero gravity, the bone-jarring G-forces of launch, and the complex maneuvers required to pilot a spacecraft. He learned the intricacies of life support systems, the delicate dance of orbital mechanics, and the emergency procedures crucial for survival in the unforgiving vacuum of space. But the training wasn't just about mastering technical skills. It was about building camaraderie and trust with the extraordinary individuals who shared his celestial aspirations. He formed a tight bond with his fellow astronaut candidates, each one a shining example of human ingenuity and determination. Together, they faced each challenge head-on, supporting and pushing each other to be their best. As his training progressed, Lucas found himself not just learning about space, but developing a profound appreciation for the pale blue dot he called home. From the unique vantage point of a simulated spacecraft, he witnessed the Earth's breathtaking beauty, its swirling clouds, vast oceans, and the delicate tapestry of life that covered its surface. The experience filled him with a renewed sense of purpose, a desire to protect and preserve the planet for future generations. Section 5, Liftoff, A Journey into the Unknown. The day arrived. Years of preparation culminated in this single, heart-stopping moment. As Lucas strapped into his seat aboard the spacecraft, a symphony of emotions surged through him. Anticipation, excitement, a hint of fear, and above all, an overwhelming sense of gratitude. He was living his dream, about to embark on a journey that few humans in history had ever experienced. The countdown echoed through the cockpit, each number bringing him closer to the realization of a lifelong ambition. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The roar of the engines reverberated through his very being, a physical manifestation of the immense power that was propelling him skyward. The ground fell away, buildings shrinking into insignificance as he ascended through the atmosphere, the force of acceleration pinning him to his seat. Peering out the viewport as they breached the Earth's atmosphere, Lucas was greeted by a sight that defied description. The blackness of space, dotted with the cold fire of a million stars, stretched out before him, a vast and indifferent expanse that dwarfed even his wildest imaginings. He was no longer bound by the constraints of gravity, floating effortlessly in a realm where up and down had lost all meaning. The following days were a blur of awe-inspiring sights and groundbreaking scientific observations. He conducted experiments in microgravity, marveled at the ethereal beauty of the aurora borealis, and experienced the profound silence of the lunar landscape during a spacewalk. Every moment was a testament to the boundless potential of human ingenuity and the awe-inspiring wonders that awaited those who dared to venture beyond the confines of Earth.